ॐ नमो सिद्धाणं पढमं हवै मङ्गलम्।
Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan is an internationally renowned educational organization which stands for reintegration and revitalization of Indian culture. It was founded by Dr. Kulapati Kanhaiyalal Maneklal Munshi on 7th November 1938 with the blessings of Mahatma Gandhi. Dr. K.M. Munshi founded Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan along with a few friends late in 1938. Till his death in 1971, he devoted all his energies to the building up of the Bhavan as the premier cultural organization of the country. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan is a moment to inculcate moral, ethical, emotional, spiritual, human, national and global values in the minds of younger generation. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan stands to reintegrate Bharatiya Vidya to suit modern condition and to restore to life an awareness of striving towards dharma in its triple aspects of Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. Bhavan tries to hold fast to the fundamental values for which our culture stands: Rita, Satya, Yagna and the Tapas. The motto of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan is "Let noble thoughts come to us from every side" and the Vasudeva Kutumbam. The Bhavan significantly grew as a cultural organization and became a global foundation under the leadership of Sundaram Ramakrishnan, who took over as the director after the death of Munshi in 1971. The first foreign center was opened in London in 1972. Now the Bhavan's Trust operates a number of primary and secondary institutes in India and abroad. It organizes and runs 100 private schools in India. The schools are known as Bharatiya Vidya Mandir, Bhavans Vidya Mandir and Bhavans Vidyalay. Now Bhavans has 123 kendras or units in India, 320 plus constituent institutes and 9 centers overseas. Now Bhavans operates from Mumbai, its head office. Bhavan's recognitions and awards are Educational Institution of National Eminence, International Gandhi Peace Prize, Communal Harmony Award, Rajiv Gandhi Award for National Integration. Bhavan significantly grew as a cultural organization and became a global foundation. It is spread all over India and similarly in Andhra Pradesh. During 70s, with the spread of education, people of West Godavari started seriously feeling the need of best of quality schooling for their children. Instead of sending their children to Chennai or Hyderabad, they expected such schools to be available in their own region. Then, the Bhimavaram Kendra was set up with the cooperation of Rice Millers Educational and Cultural Society, West Godavari District, and school inaugurated by Shri K. Dharma Rao on August 1983. Bhavan's Vidya Ashram Bhimavaram was started as the first and the foremost project of Bhavan's Bhimavaram Kendra under the dynamic leadership and guidance of its founder chairman, late Shri K. Dharma Rao, and that of the present managing committee. The school developed very fast in both physical and academic setting. Now, Shri Cherukuvada Shri Ranganatha Raju, the Doyen of Education, as chairman, shoulders the historical legacy and has successfully brought up the Bhimavaram, Tadepaligudam, Palkol, Guntur, Rajamandri, and also the Gandhi Institute of Computer Education and Information Technology.
ఈ మారుతున్న కాలంలో ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం విద్యకి అధిక ప్రాధాన్యత వచ్చి సిబిఎస్ఈ స్కూల్స్ అవసరం ఉందని 1980లో గుర్తించి ఆ రోజు మా ఫౌండర్ చైర్మన్ కె ధర్మారావు గారు లీడర్షిప్లో పివి నరసింహరావు గారి యొక్క సలహాతోటి ఈ భారతీయ విద్యమాన స్కూల్స్ని 82లో భీమవరంలోని 84లో తాడేపల్లిగూడెం, రాజమండ్రి, గుంటూరు అండ్ పాలకొల్లు. ధర్మారావు తర్వాత నేను చైర్మన్గా ఈ రాష్ట్రంలోనే కాదు భారతదేశంలో ఇతర రాష్ట్రాల్లో ఉన్న దేశాల్లో ఉన్న స్కూల్స్లో భారతీయ విద్యాభవన్ సుమారు 74 సిబిఎస్ఈ స్కూల్స్లో మన స్కూల్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఫస్ట్ టాప్లో 1 and 2లో ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. ఒక ఎడ్యుకేషనే కాదు, మన హిందూ సాంప్రదాయాన్ని, మన సంస్కృతిని, మన హెరిటేజ్ని ఈ యొక్క భవన్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈరోజు మన భారతీయ విద్యాభవన్ ఏదైతే రైస్ మిల్లర్స్ అసోసియేషన్ వారు ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం అందించడం, అలాగే ఐపీఎస్ అధికారులు ఎంతోమంది స్టేట్ క్యాడర్ కూడా వెళ్ళి ఒక మంచి క్రమశిక్షణ స్టూడెంట్ని అందించడం జరిగింది.
Bhavan's Guntur Kendra, founded by Shri P. Venkateshwara Rao and Shri P. Srinivaswa Murthy under Bhavan's umbrella with same ideals and inspiration from the Guntur Kendra, was started in the year 1969. Initially, it had only evening classes till 1985, but in 1985, Bhavan Vidya Ashram, the school was started with a view to provide an opportunity to Guntur public to give a value-based education to their children. Now this branch is taken care by Shri Cherukuvada Shri Ranganatha Raju Garu, Principal N.B. Subhas Santha Rao.
Bharatiya Vidyabhavan Guntur Kendra. Among all the bhavans in Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana, this is one of the oldest Kendra that was established in 1969 as far as my knowledge goes. Later the school started in 1985 and this school is giving the CBSE education from the class 1 to class 10 including the KG section also. As you know that Bhavans is mainly for the value education. In addition to value education, we impart the co-curricular activities as well as the complete overall development of the child in different areas.
The school has been affiliated to the CBSE New Delhi. The medium of instructions is English and the school offers Hindi, Telugu and Sanskrit as second or third languages.
My name is Ashwat from 2nd standard. The best thing in my class is the computer labs, which is full of computers. I like animating games and learning new games from my PT madam. I like the school because the teachers are very friendly and kind. I like the principal because he encourages me and conducts many exams.
This school has become the center of excellence in school education. In academics as well as in co-curricular, the school has been consistently maintaining a high profile with excellent result in board, competitive exams and in sports and arts also.
Being a part of Bhavans makes me really feel unique. I feel privileged to teach in this school, which really gives importance to activity-based rather than room-based or a classroom-based teaching. Here we have different activities through which we impart different subjects to the children. The children are taken for different field trips. They are given projects which they do on their own, which will enable them to develop their mental abilities and also help in their mental growth.
Large playground, well-planned curriculum, 5,000 above books and library prepare students to face any competitive exam, well-equipped computer lab.
This is Prasanna of Computer Department. Children should be trained in technology also. We are very proud to say that our school is first in the Guntur to start a computer training even now. We introduced the information technology and artificial intelligence to our students. They will have a regular practice. Theory and practicals go hand in hand. Children enjoy doing practicals and making their own projects.
The school follows NCERT curriculum for all classes from 1st to 10th. Bhavans Guntur Kendra School and Children's Achievement. It provides value education, 100% board results, 4th position in academic performances in all Bhavan School all over India.
I am Jasmine from class 6th. I joined in this school last year. In the beginning, I was a bit scared that I will be able to cope up with other students and the new environment. But all of my fears have been proven wrong. I could get many friends here, which did not allow me to feel that I am new to this school. Not only education is given importance here, but co-curricular activities like sports, inter-school competitions regarding essay writing, Bhagavad Gita Sloka, recitation competitions are held and we are trained for that. I participated in essay writing and elocution and I got prize.
National and international gold medal winners from school. District level champions in all sports and games. Yoga training, Sanskrit training, school tie-up and organize activities with Intech and Red Cross teams. School conducts Ugadi Puraskaralu awards to various fields and also tie-up with National Green Crafts event conducts every year. Best Swachh Sarvekshan Award to school. ISKCON Best School Award.
I am Sheikh Mubina from class 10th. I am very glad to express my views about my school. The best things I like in my school that the children have freedom to express their feelings. Teachers give us freedom to clarify our doubts. I am in a class where we all are friendly and help with each other in times of need.